The only one of its kind, VersaPaxx is a 22-inch, all-in-one touchscreen video recording device with advanced analytical and diagnostic tools. The VersaPaxx allows you to effortlessly capture, analyze, and transfer video from any modality and upscale it to HD. Upon launching the VersaPaxx program, a user-friendly interface appears. On the far right is a column numbered with the following categories: patient study, capture, view, process, and distribute. Initially, you will be directed to the first category, patient study, which will prompt you to choose from an existing patient study or create a new one. After selecting a patient profile, you'll have the choice to either record images from a camera to the monitor or upload images or video directly to the VersaPaxx. Images and video may also be shared to the program over a network with a USB or DVD. To discern between images and video, it's important to remember that videos will have a film strip icon on the top right corner. Next, you'll have the ability to manipulate the layout with up to 24 images or videos. After choosing a layout, display it in full screen with the one-to-one icon in the middle. Use the icon on the far right to change titles. The fourth category includes an assortment of images and video editing tools for customized viewing. Clicking the first icon, embellished with a wrench and sun, will provide you with the ability to utilize tools for calibration, color balance, and levels. Selecting the icon in the bottom right corner with an A and an arrow allows you to apply tools for annotation, measurement, and window leveling. You can also discard images or video by clicking the trash can icon. The fifth category includes myriad methods for file transfer and sharing. You can elect to distribute your images or videos via USB drive, printer, or over the network. To request a demo of the VersaPaxx, please contact Ampronics at 1-800-400-7972 or email us at info@ampronics.com.